Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the file open, so start by scanning headers and data types now. Make sure headers are unique and concise because JSON keys map directly to them. Once done, remove merged cells and blank rows to avoid null keys. Convert the data range to an Excel table so rows behave consistently and types persist. This initial cleanup prevents nested errors later. You're doing this to create predictable key-value pairs. After the table exists, you'll be ready to export or transform reliably. Now load the table into Power Query to shape the data. Use from table/range, then apply transformations. Filter out error rows, change data types explicitly, and unpivot or group columns when you want nested JSON arrays. Rename columns to final key names because those labels will become JSON properties. Once transformations look right in the preview, close and load back to Excel or choose Export JSON using an add-in or script. This middle step gives you precise control over structure and data cleanliness. Finish by exporting to JSON with the method you prefer. Use a trusted Excel to JSON add-in, a short VBA/Python script that reads the table, or save as CSV then convert. Validate the resulting JSON against your expected schema and inspect nested arrays, null values, and numeric types. If keys are missing or types wrong, return to Power Query to correct headers, change types, or unpivot additional columns, then re-export. A key troubleshooting tip: if JSON fails, check for duplicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.